Alrighty, we got a small project going. A old friend of mine from the old neighborhood reached out, and she asked for a French rolling pin. So we switched the lathe around, and we're gonna cut out a nice French rolling pin. So believe it or not, there it is. It's all glued up. Nice maple on either side, a piece of cherry down the center. So we're gonna take it out of here. What we have to do is square off the ends. They got to be cut nice and square. So we'll do that on the miter saw. We'll just cut it real quick. Once it's squared off, you don't have to, but I'm gonna kill these edges on the bandsaw so it's almost octagonal. And then I'll turn it. Less chance of catching a chip or something in the outside edge. We've taken the chuck out and we replaced it with a different headpiece here, and we have our tailpiece, our live end tailpiece that we're going to slide in. So once this is squared off, we're going to find the center, a couple of X's through the piece. We're going to find the center. It's going to go on here. Tap, tap, and this end is going to be squared off, and this will go in here. Again, find the center, squeeze it up nice and tight, tighten it up, and we'll start to turn it. So that's where we're at with this. Now, what would be a rolling pin without some place to keep it? So we're gonna throw this in too. A little base walnut and cherry base. A little cradle, nice. Needs a little touch-up sanding still, and then I don't know. We'll probably oil it with just mineral oil or cutting board oil. Mineral oil is what it really is. Food safe, and you soak it real good, let it dry in, wipe it down, and you're all set. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut this guy, get it on the lathe, turn it, and we'll jump back with you when we're ready to get started. Here we go. Yeah. All right. Before we cut the ends off, or before we cut the edges, we're just going to find the center, and that's just geometry 101. Little X marks the spot on both ends. Now we got our centers. I'm going to throw this on the band, set the bandsaw up, 45-degree angle, vit. Take the edges off, and then we'll start to turn it. We got it on. It looks like it's centered, and we're going to rough turn it. Then we're going to double check all our measurements, make our lines where our French pin is two ways, even in the center all the way down, and then the last 3.5-4 inches it'll turn into it'll narrow down, taper down. They also make them where they'll start at a taper, and even the inside of the pin's got a little bit of crown to it. We're going to go straight with this one, and then 2 tapers. So we're going to rough cut this, see how it comes out. If it's no good, you'll never see this video. Alright, still got a ways to go. It's working out okay. New tool, I don't know. This is a pair of calipers, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set them for the rough size that I want, which is 1 7/8 of an inch. The finish is going to be 1 5/8 for the widest part. So I got as you can see, I got a ways to go. The cherry is actually 1 7/8. So when I get down to that little cherry, and I start touching it, I'll be good. But I use these later on to get my 1 5/8 finished size. All right, let me get this thing roughed out, and maybe we'll jump back and then see how we make out. All right, here we are. This part's pretty close. I gotta move the stand over, the tool rest over, and hit the other side. But this is just about exactly where I want it. I got my rough size. I still have a little bit to go. The piece overall is only 18 inches. So we're looking at from here to here. That'll be the actual finish. So we got to find the center, 9, okay? And then 3.5 from each end is going to be the taper. So I'll make pencil mark once I get the correct size. I'll make a pencil mark and take care of that side. This side I'll do now. I'll center it off the marks, make my taper marks, and I'll taper this off. Then I'll move the tool rest. I'll do the other side, and we'll be ready to sand this little puppy up. Okay. This, I mean, it looks simple. It's not a technical piece, but this has to be straight. I mean, all the way across. The center's got to be straight. If it's not, the pierogies, they're going to be all lumpy, and nobody's going to be happy. So we got to make sure it's nice and straight. We don't want the end user to have any issues with it. So let me. All right. Well, looks pretty good. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Time to sand. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah, nice. 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 Okay, time to sand. Then we'll cut it, clean the edges up, and that'll be it. All right, we've hit one of those embarrassing moments where you forget to film the very last piece of video on a story you're doing. So the French rolling pin, it's already packed up and shipped and off to its new home. So what I'm going to do is just do the mea culpa, say I forgot to film the last section, and I'm just going to show you a still picture at the end of this. So I hope you enjoyed that. It was fun. It was a quick project, and we'll see you again next time.